Hey everybody, Ryan Gronfin here, author, speaker, chef, restaurateur, founder of therestaurantboss.com, as well as clickbacon.com and scalemyrestaurant.com. Today's video is going to be about automation in the restaurant industry. Before we talk about automation in the restaurant industry, I want to take an opportunity here to thank an amazing company that's sponsoring this video. It's called Loop TV. You can visit them at loop.tv. I've been bringing you amazing videos like this every week for the last 10, 12 years with insights, tips, and tactics on how to make more money and enjoy more freedom in your restaurant, your bar, your food truck, your nightclub, any hospitality business. And every once in a while, a company comes across my desk that really impresses me, and I want to share what they do with you. Loop TV is one of those companies, and they're sponsoring this video because I absolutely love what they do. First off, Loop is totally free. And when I say free, I mean like free. Like you don't even pay for shipping on what they're going to send you. But basically what they do is they send you this little box. It looks kind of like an Apple TV box or like an Amazon Fire box thing. It plugs into your HDMI port and you get a remote, and then it magically turns your TV into this amazing, fun entertainment device where you can select from over 100 channels of entertainment, ranging from fully licensed music. Yes, I said fully licensed music for free, videos, sports, funny stuff like drunk people doing things, animals doing funny things, like people falling and crashing on their bikes, and like whatever you're in the mood for or whatever fits the mood of your business. It's awesome, and they have a massive collection of content. My son and I love this. The barbershop we go to and some of the restaurants we go to have this playing on their screens, and it's just amazing entertainment. Plus, Loop provides software for you that you can turn your screen into digital signage. You can put advertisements up there for special events or menus that you have coming up. You can put menus on your screens. You can do all sorts of things and really create this fun, interactive advertising tool in your restaurant to promote things. So head over to loop.tv to check out what they do. Plus, there's an opportunity for you if you're like a real business, like if you have customers who come in your door, you'll qualify for this. There's an opportunity for you to get paid to stream their content. So it's an amazing deal. I promise, check it out. We vet everyone that comes through. We don't just put things up here. We get dozens of submissions of people who want us to share their stuff and to sponsor videos, and Loop is one of the few that has made it through. They're awesome. Check it out. So we're talking about automation in the restaurant business today. And I forgot to tell you, we're coming to you live from the intergalactic, the galaxy world headquarters, or the galaxy headquarters of the Restaurant Boss here outside Austin, Texas. Today is December 18th of 2022, and we are talking automation in the restaurant business. Now, I'll be the first to admit it. If you watch some of my videos from like 4 or 5 years ago, I was not the like pursue tech, like we need to get on the online ordering thing. I've converted. But I mean, 5, 6 years ago, it was just about having a good restaurant. Then we kind of went through the pandemic and it's all about like technology and you need this. And listen, I'm a big fan. At the end of the day, I'm still an operator. At the end of the day, I don't care if you have tech or don't have tech, if you use automation or don't use automation. If you serve amazing food and have great service in a good location, you create fun, you create an escape from people's boring reality, they're going to come to you over and over and over again. You're going to make money. Everyone's going to be happy. But automation is becoming a real thing now. Look, with the labor challenges that we've had, with the pandemic, with just everything flipping upside down in the last couple of years, we've been working on automation. I mean, 20 years ago, they had those robotic arms that flip burgers and they look like they're doing the robot. You know what I'm talking about. I can't dance. But now it's like a real thing. I mean, a couple of my clients have pizza robots that make pizza. One of my clients has a business that's nearly fully automated in the pizza industry. It's called Pizza HQ. You can check them out. And we've been developing this concept for a couple of years, and it's really getting some traction. They're getting international media attention, local media attention. It's pretty awesome. Depending on what business you're in, there's different levels of automation. I mean, all the way down to like fryers that have buttons on them that depending on what you're frying, you just hit the button and it drops it and brings it up. There are tools that will load your fryers with a variety of things, to pizza, to whatever it is. The automation exists out there. I think it's worth looking into. It's not necessarily ready yet for all businesses. It's not something that you should go out and spend tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars for. But you need to start asking yourself the question, will kiosks help you? Will some automation help you? On the other hand, there are some things that we can do without investing in robots and AI and all this technology. Like, for example, portion controlling things. People think I'm crazy when I say this, but you need to be portion controlling everything, not just to control your cost, but to speed it up. If there's 8 wings in an order, let's say 4 drumettes and 4 of the flats, why are we counting those per order? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. They should be in a bag. And when you get an order for wings, doop, dump them in. And if it's wings and fries, doop, doop, dump it in. If it's 7 mozzarella sticks, doop, dump it in. If it's 3 egg rolls, doop, dump it in. All of this stuff saves you time. Now, I know you could sit here and say, well, it takes time to bag that stuff up. Yeah, it does. But that's what I call downtime. And I have a general ratio that something that takes me 10 seconds in downtime is worth something that takes me 100 seconds in downtime is worth 10 seconds in uptime. Uptime is when you're busy. I have a 10-to-1 ratio. It just helps me kind of think through, should I be doing this or not? If it takes me 10 times, like if I save 2 seconds, sorry, I didn't explain that well. If I save 2 seconds during service, I'm willing to spend 20 seconds to save those 2 seconds. If I can save 10 seconds during service, I'm willing to spend 100 seconds or over a minute and a half in downtime to save that 10 seconds, because all of your money and all of your stress and all of your challenges and issues and mistakes come in that 2 hours of rush. So anything we can do to save that time. But I want you to just start thinking about not only the technology automation, kiosks, software, email marketing, text message marketing. It doesn't have to be a robot that flips things. But also, I want you to start thinking about what can we automate? What systems, processes, and procedures can we put in place to smooth things out, to make things go faster? Remember, guys, this is about creating systems that create value that allows you to scale. Because what do I say? I say systems create freedom, freedom creates value, and value creates scale. I want to thank Looptop TV for sponsoring this video. I want to thank all of you for watching this video. But I love every single one of you crazy restaurant people, and I hope that you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye-bye.